Manufacturing process of dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing liquid, dishwash gel, is a household cleaning product. Removes grease and food residues effectively. Widely used in homes and commercial kitchens. Step 1. Raw material handling. Surfactants, SLES, 20 to 30%, labs, 5 to 15%. Builders, sodium carbonate, 1 to 5%, or citric acid. Thickeners, sodium chloride sulfate, 0.5 to 2%. Preservatives, MIT or DMDM hydantoin, 0.1 to 0.3%. Fragrances and colors, 0.1 to 0.5%. Step 2. Mixing and heating. Raw materials mixed in stainless steel tank with agitators. Heating helps dissolve ingredients and improve mixing. Controlled temperature prevents damage to sensitive components. Step 3. pH adjustment. pH adjusted to 6.5 to 7.5. Citric acid or sodium hydroxide used. Ensures safe on skin and effective cleaning. Step 4. Quality control. Tests during production. Viscosity. pH. Active ingredient content. Microbial load. Ensures compliance with standards. Step 5. Packaging. Packaged in bottles or pouches. Automated filling and capping machines used. Labels include product and safety information. Step 6. Storage and distribution. Stored in controlled environment. Conditions monitored for stability. Distributed via wholesalers and retailers. Approximate raw material measurements. Surfactants, SLES 20 to 30%. Labs, 5 to 15%. Builders, 1 to 5%. Thickeners, 0.5 to 2%. Preservatives, 0.1 to 0.3%. Fragrances colors, 0.1 to 0.5%. Conclusion. Dishwashing liquid production involves accurate raw material measurement, controlled mixing and pH adjustment, rigorous quality checks, safe packaging and distribution, ensures consistent quality for consumers.